So I have the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra and welcome to the unboxing experience. Now this particular unit is the titanium gray and hopefully we have the orange bands inside. Okay, so that's what the box looks like. On the side, at the back, on the other side, it says Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. And let's go ahead and peel this seals. And then you should turn it around and lift the lid. So there's nothing in there. And then here we have what appears to be the watch. Okay, and then you have the bands. So let's start with the bands. All right, so let's get in there. And there we have our bands. Now this one, I'm sure everybody has mentioned, they look very much like the Apple Watch Ultra bands, although these ones have these holes. But yeah, they really did copy Apple with these ones. So you can put that to the side. And then let's look at what comes in the watch box. So we have some more stickers here to peel off like that. One more at the top. And then once again, let's turn this around and lift the top cover up. And then before we look at the watch, let's look at what comes inside this other box here. So that looks like the charger. Okay, so we have the charging plate and a Type-C connector on the other end. Then I have what I assume is documentation. Yeah, quick start guide, we don't read those. And then the watch itself. Okay, so that's what the watch looks like. You have the crown right there, so this is how it stands. Of course the bezel is not rotating. I'm sure you've watched enough videos to notice that, to know that the bezel does not rotate, which is kind of a bummer, but that's how it is. So there's the watch. That's a first look on this channel of the Galaxy Watch Ultra. You have very tactile buttons here, and then you have this button here, and that's it. So that's the unboxing experience. Next is to attach these straps to the watch. That's going to be a whole separate video. We like making short videos here. So that's the unboxing experience, and that's what you find inside the box. Thank you for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.